Hey everyone, Quick Helper here. In today's video, let me show you how to check old photos on Facebook. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. First, open the Facebook app. You can do this on an iPhone, Android, or a computer by going to facebook.com. Now, the easiest way is to hit the search icon at the top right corner and search for your name, then switch from all to posts, and then tap the filter icon at the top right. Choose date posted and set it to say 2023. Hit show the results and it will display all of your posts from 2023. And after that, if you want to see photos, go back and search for your name again. This time, scroll to photos, tap on the filter icon at the top, then choose options like posted by, photos you've seen, tag location, or date posted. Set the date to an old year, like 2009, and hit show results. It will show you all the photos from that year. Tap on any photo and it will bring you back to the date. And that's it. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.